So Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift has soft opened for technical rehearsals. That means if you come in May or may not be open. They have not officially announced an official grand opening date other than summer. So you may come tomorrow, may be open, it may not, it may open later in the day, it may close early. There are technical rehearsals. But I will say that coaster is amazing. The queue line, the views from the queue line, most of it is glass. The track goes right over your head. There is views from every section of that queue line. There are cars in there. There are props from the movie. It is absolutely incredible. Before you go up the stairs or the elevator to get on the ride itself, you do have to go through a metal detector and a locker system. So you hit the locker first, take every loose article off of you, out of your pocket. If you're wearing a hat, that has to come off. It all goes in the locker. The lockers are free. They give you a little card to scan. It'll open the locker for you. You put your items in. When you leave, you get it from the back side of the locker. Again, it is free. Everything must go in there. Then you pass through the metal detector. If the metal detector goes off, they will warn you to do not try to sneak anything in. Attached glasses with a strap are okay. So we're going to go ahead and show you that on-ride footage right now. Oh, that was good. It is finally happening. So there are metal detectors that you have to go through to pull all of your objects out of your pockets. No loose articles of any kind.
I almost didn't come today. I almost didn't come today. Because unless I got laid there for like 3 hours, I don't know. I think I'm just going to stay there. But then I was talking to my friend about it. I'm like, I don't know why I'm going to say this one.
Number 2.
We're gonna find out. The kids are hard. Set up to like literally fill the line up to as big as it can go. I think they're expecting everyone in the park to be here.
Here we go, the first riders are going. Can we walk backwards and...
Maybe twice as long. That's where the express or signature because we haven't even gotten that.
I cannot tell you the excitement everybody has right now. I apologize. It is like 100 degrees outside. We've been here since early this morning. Yeah.
I'm gonna record the ride and still post it as you go. We should might not.
Yeah, maybe. This is a massive cube, and the views from up here are really cool. The coaster literally passes inches above your head in some spots. Like right here, like it's literally right here. There it goes. It's still testing. I don't believe anybody is on it yet. And we have not gone through the metal detectors as of yet, obviously. There they go, and I believe I know everybody in that front car. Somehow they got ahead of me, but it's okay. They're going to be coming back here in just a second. There goes car number 2. Here they come. There they go. Two.
Row 8 on that far
Cool.
side.
Thank you. Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. Yeah. So I gotta get a... Huh. There you go. Oh, it's fine, yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
you.
Have a great day.
Okay. So just...
I'll also tell you where the locker is.
Okay, so scan it and then... Wrong station, okay. So it must be one of these, huh? Yeah, it must be one of these, yeah. Wrong station, that's this one. Communication problem. I can lock it. Oh, it's already open. That's cool. Oh. Thank you. There we go. Thank you. So in all of the madness to get onto that coaster, I got to ride it 4 times, twice in car number 4 in the front and second row, once in car number 3, and once in the Charger up front. I will say the back car, definitely the best. If you can get the front row in car number 4, I think that is the best experience, but they do have a single rider line. They do accommodate ADA. If you need an elevator to get up to the queue line, you could do that. There is also a child switch. There is also a space for a service animal if you have your service animal with you. There is a kennel and crate right before you get on the ride. So very accommodating. Single rider, regular standby. They have the front of the line pass, the VIP tours, the child switch, and it was very, very, very well organized today for the very first day. Soft opening. Again, it is soft opening technical rehearsal, so if you come, it may or may not be open. They already shut down the line for the day. I think it closed. I am like burnt. Look at me. It's 7 o'clock. So if you come until they officially announce an opening date, it'll be hit or miss if that ride is going to be open. But we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, follow along. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We'll have updates from Four Nights. Follow on social media. Thanks for watching, everyone.